All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to make the best spaghetti sauce, man. And you're lucky I'm doing this because I really hate taking time out of my life just to show you guys simple little things, to be honest with you, man. And I gotta tell everybody to shut up, don't talk. I gotta do a video, this, that, the other. It's just flat out irritating, man. So you're gonna start off with a a pound of hamburger, right? Then you're gonna get about a fourth of an onion and about half a piece of garlic. Chop all that up, throw it in there, right? Season the meat with the famous Dave's. All right? Then what you gotta do is you gotta throw a little bit of sugar in there, man. Not a ton, just a little bit to make it right. Just a little bit. So now really I'm just gonna mix it. Let everything kind of marinate together. And if you want it to be kind of spicy, take like a pack of these that you would throw on a pizza and throw like the whole pack in there or just half of it. So I'm not gonna throw it in there right now though, but then like I said, you just let it sit here, man, for about an hour on real low. Stir it every once in a while and let it all come together, man. Now, I'm not going to, if you can't figure out how to make spaghetti noodles, there ain't no point in us even having this conversation. So I'm not going to go all into that. So you got to, and one thing though, you got to use is this. Don't try to use nothing else. You can use maybe other flavors of this, but it's got to be this brand. It's got to be that brand for the sauce, man. The famous Dave to season the meat. The sugar, sweeten it a little bit. The peppers, if you want to spice it up a little bit, About a, quarter of onion, half a thing of garlic, man. Let it sit and do its thing for about an hour.